You are analyzing sales data across various regions and time periods. You build a linear regression model where the dependent variable is total sales and the independent variables include price and advertising expenditure. After fitting the model, you observe heterosidasticity in the residual plots. How should you address this issue to improve the model's performance? Alright, so I've got this question about linear regression models and heterosidasticity. Let me break it down step by step. Heterosidasticity is when the variance of the error terms isn't constant across all observations in your model. In other words, the spread of the residuals changes as the value of the independent variable changes. This can be a problem because one of the key assumptions of linear regression is homosidasticity, the opposite condition where variances are consistent. If that assumption is violated, it affects the efficiency and reliability of our regression coefficients. To address this issue, there are a few common methods you can use. First, transforming the dependent variable might help stabilize the variance if the relationship between the variables isn't linear or if there's heterosidasticity present. For instance, taking the logarithm of the dependent variable can sometimes make the model meet the homosidasticity assumption better. Second, adding interaction terms can capture more complex relationships where the effect of one independent variable depends on the value of another. This can help explain some of the variability in the data that wasn't captured by the original model. Lastly, weighted least squares is a method specifically designed to handle cases where the variance of the errors isn't constant. By assigning different weights to each observation based on their variance, this technique gives more importance to observations with lower variance and less importance to those with higher variance, thus improving the model's fit.